Thank you for calling room service. This is Kaizin speaking. How may I help you?
Can I order food?
Alright, ma'am. But before I take your order, did you see the menu? It is located on the right side of the bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Madeline of room number 123.
Thank you for that information, Miss Madeline of room 123. May I get your order, please?
Can I order milk, whole apple, and croissant?
Do you want me to slice the apple for you?
Yes.
Would you like to serve your croissant with butter, honey, or marmalade?
Honey.
May I suggest to you a orange juice or apple juice?
No.
Is there anything else that you would like to add?
None.
May I repeat your order? You ordered for milk, sliced apple, croissant with marmalade. Did I get your order right?
Yes, please.
Please be advised that your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. The total amount of your bill is 400 pesos. Would you prefer to pay it in cash or charge to your room?
Pay in cash.
How much change do we need to bring?
500.
Is there anything else that I can help you with?
None. Thank you.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Good day. I am Kaizin, your room service attendant for today. Are you Miss Madeline of room 123?
Yes.
Would you like me to put the tray on the table or set up the table for you?
Put on the table, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your milk, sliced apple, and croissant served with honey. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to turn on the television for you?
No.
Would you like me to adjust the temperature of your air conditioner?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I would like to present you the bill. Your bill is 500 pesos. Is there anything else I will help you with?
None.
Alright, ma'am. I'll be back after 45 minutes to clean your soiled dishes. Enjoy your meal and have a nice day.
Okay.